Hello guys, so tonight I'm going to be folding this origami dog right here. And guys, please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing, okay? So here is an origami dog right here. So first you need a square sheet of paper like this. And you want the color side on the back, so I'm going to flip this over like so, and then you want to fold this whole thing in half, okay, just like so. And then you just want to make a mark in the middle right here on top, because you don't want a line going all the way through, right? So you're going to match this corner with that corner. So bring this whole piece over, but don't fold the middle. Match that and make a little mark on top, okay? And unfold so you can see just a little bit of that center right there. It's better on the other side, okay? And then you want to take this corner, this point right here, and leave a little bit of space between the middle and the ear right here, this edge, and bring this triangle in a slight angle like so, okay? And try to match it with the other side as well, so you can look at the center mark right here as a guidance, and try to match it as best you can with the other side, okay? And now you want to fold in this corner right here. Fold that corner back. And you want to do the same thing on this side as well. So you want this edge to be parallel with this edge right here. And you want roughly around the same thickness as well, okay? And now you want to take this bottom triangle and fold it up like so, and leave a little bit of space right here, okay? Then take that point, that triangle, and fold just a little bit of that triangle down to make the nose of the dog, okay? So here is an origami dog. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.